Hey y'all, Chicken Lady here. So, you know I had to come with this little info. Scratch and Peck Feed sent us over this GMO-free organic feed for pigs, chickens, ducks, goats. Listen here, it can't be just for chickens. Why not? It's good. So this is gonna be our first time reviewing this product, and we're gonna see how our girls like it, and we're gonna feed them out until we run out of this bag and the other one. And we're gonna see if they like it, if they don't like it. So I'm gonna keep an honest review per usual, like we always do. And let's go ahead and pour this into our feed ban and get it ready for the week. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and pour this feed in here and we're gonna get it mixing. I do like the fact this is an easy tear. Y'all, the chickens already know. Okay, let's take a look at this. Look at that. We got some cracked corn. I want to say that looked like some oyster shell up in there, don't it, Roman? To me, it does anyways. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go and pour this in there. No stinky smells. That's what I like. And I do like the fact that I can repurpose this bag for something. So you get a little bit out of everything, okay? So we got layer mesh, 16% plus corn, and this is organic chicken and duck feed, you guys, and this was 25 pounds. And I'm gonna make sure I put the link in my link tree, and you guys go ahead and go buy you some. I will let you know how the girls like it. So stay updated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See y'all later.